Three-way switches. We all see them in our kitchen, living room, basement, wherever. Game room. Turn a light on from one location, shut it off from another. So, let's dig in. We're going to do it differently though. We're going to use switches like these. Just a two position. Never mind the diamond plate. I had to make that myself because, well, don't worry about that. And this, all this stuff I stole off of machinery that was broken. Still works though. So, let's begin. On this one here, you'll see we've got a normally open and a normally closed. Trust me, this is like 500 years old, so we got a normally open and a normally closed. On the other end, where the three-way will go, we have, right there you can see it, normally open and normally closed. Now, I'm showing you a four-way too, because I've never seen it out in the wild, but I figured this out myself one night at like 1 a.m. Right there, I got two normally opens, okay? I'm going to stack on top of those two normally closed. You understand? Awesome. So, let's start. Let's do the travelers first. We all know how three-ways work. Yeah, great. But here, we're gonna put one traveler here. Okay. The other traveler here. Well, it's not open very much. Bammo. Awesome. There's one set of travelers. In a house, that would be your black and red, because the neutral goes through. Let's put the three-way aside for now. The four-way. So this is the other three-way. Spin that. First of all, get this. Okay, enough of this. It's annoying. Come on. Get lost. Okay. Unneeded. Alright. So here's our other three-way. We're going to use yellow for this side. That's not very open. This is pretty old too. Bam, 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 bam. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry. Okay. Now we've got I never hit fucking record, did I? Oh, I did. Oh, hold on. Did I? Shit, I'm gonna have to beep that out now. I'm gonna have to bleep that out. Fuck. It's 3 bleeps. Anyways. Alright. So. There we go. Now. We're gonna put our load, which is going to be this black wire, which is the green light on this little stack over here, which I fixed, by the way. That's why I have it. I didn't steal it, I fixed it. Now, that right there wants a jumper. Just like this. First we're going to open this up here like that. Carl, okay, Carl. Alright. Shove that in there. Shove that in there, okay. Tighten this down. Now that way, whenever switch is open, or closed, I should say, you know, they're common to each other. So either one We'll send power down that black wire, illuminating our beacon. So on this side here, this is our beginning. Let's see. Hold on one second here. Now, our beginning here is going to be this red wire. Now, we're going to be safe. It's only 24 volts. 230.96 there, 24. Whatever, doesn't matter. It'll run from 10 volts to 30, so doesn't matter. All right, I'm going to shut that off. Now, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but let's try it. Actually, it's not. If I can get this puppy out of there, it'd be amazing. Will that work? Yeah, it will work. So, we need another jumper. It's just like in the three-way switch, where power, depending on the position of the switch, will send power down either contact. Nice and tight, yes. So now we've got power, we have a load. All right. Now let's see how that works. Now we've got our negative here. Did I push record? Put the negative on the blue wire. And oh, it's not working. Oh no. Okay. See that? Bam. Oh. That's probably loose. Go over here, I can turn it off now. Okay. Three-way switches. You're probably wondering, why are you showing us this? We have PLCs. Well, say you have an input to a PLC. Just one. And it wants it's not a set coil or anything. That just means that when it sees 24 volts or its signal, and then it goes out, it stays on. But say you come across a customer that wants to add a switch, and it's just a two-position switch. You can just get some blocks, another switch, box, whatever. You can still use that same input, no programming involved. It's pretty swell. So then, we come to the elusive four-way switch. Which, again, I've never seen this on a machine. I know. And there's probably some PLC guy out there, or control guy. He's knows better than everybody else. Why is he doing it like that? Just get a, have a holding circuit. And like, calm down. We'll get to that one day. Let's deal with this first. I need some more jumpers because I stole them. So we're going to add jumpers to both sides of this thing. Again, it's not open. Here, let's crank this down a little bit. Sorry it's a little grainy. The light in here sucks. What is this all about? Why is this off? Oh. Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright, there we go. Okay. Whatever. I'll open that up a little bit. Okay. Close this. Tighten it, sorry. Freaking. Okay. Two jumpers right there. Awesome. We have our normally closed. What's nice about this is you can stack a zillion on top of each other. There we go. Okay, this is where it gets a little tricky. So one side of these two, they're going to go right up into the block above them. See? Awesome. Bammo. These ones, this is where it gets a little tricky. This one's going to cross over to the one above and to the right, or left, but depending on. And we're going to add a traveler. And then we're going to do the same thing with this guy. Shove that. Oh, got a stray hair. Can't have that. Commissioner guy will come for you. Oh, that one came out. That sucks. I think this was a bad terminal block there, Chief. Okay, there we go. We have the crisscross right here. Travelers. This side, top to bottom. But we gotta add our pull on your wire. Same with this guy. No. No, I didn't shut power off. Alright, there we go. I still gotta fix this side. Okay, I'm all repaired. I can move it around. So as you can see here, we've got our travelers, our jumpers, crisscross, jumpers over here, straight up and down. And we now have one three-way, a four-way, and another three-way. And that can be one input to your PLC. Or if you have something that at home or the customer wants that's 120 volt, you can do the same thing. As long as you follow the other rules, you can still do this if it's safe. So there you go, folks. Three-way, four-way. Have a great night.